In this video we will learn about matrix box in performance settings in FlowHCM. First of all, we will log in into FlowHCM portal. Here is the dashboard. Click on the performance module on top navigation bar. So here you can see performance settings form. Click on matrix box form. Here you can see settings for 9 and 12 box matrix. Select any one. Enter the required text or number in the boxes according to axis calculation. The user can also use colors in every box that will impact on reports. Matrix box score color can be defined also to identify the mapped employee according to score in report. Click on a Save button after all settings. System will show a small pop-up indicating that your matrix box setting is successfully updated.